Just wanted to bring you a video on the drip garden. I don't know if you've heard of it, but it pays out 3% daily. And how this goes is you buy plants and you have to have at least one plant to start with. And basically you can use your MetaMask or whatever mask you're using and get BUSD, connect your wallet. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. And you can go here to drip liberation, and this is where you can deposit your BUSD. Then you just put the amount that you have here for your BUSD, whatever it is. Say you have $40 or something like that, and then you connect your wallet and you will create an LP token. You just approve it in your wallet, and then you'll have it. Then you can go back to the drip garden, and it'll show up here whatever you have, whatever you just created in drip liberation. You connect your wallet and start gardening. And depending on how many you bought, say if it was like $40 and they're like $6 each, maybe you'll have like 8 plants. I don't know the current price, but you'll have, depending on what the current price is, you'll get some plants. And then it'll tell you here, it'll tell you when it's ready to sow your plants. You can sell your seeds. You can't get this money back, but you will get seeds that you can sell. And that's how you make your profits. And down here, you'll be able to compound the plants if you don't want to sell them, so you can get more and generate more. So I just wanted to bring that to you. This also has farms where you can farm on here. It's like yield farming, and you just have to connect your wallet and approve them, and then you can look at the different. They have drip and BUSD. They have their token Rev BUSD. They have USDT and BUSD. This is more stable coins here. If you don't want the price fluctuating, usually those are a little less as far as how much you can earn, but they have a lot of farming that you can earn on your crypto here. And a lot of people are using this platform because it's been pretty stable for them. This is not financial advice. It's still a really weird market we're in. So things do lose value. But at the same time, if you believe the market will go up, which it usually does, if you get in at these cheap prices, when it goes up, you'll make more. That's the thought process behind that. So they also have the pools here, which is just one coin. If you have BUSD and you want to stake it and earn Rev, and then you can, once you earn this Rev, you can sell it for, BUSD or for whatever coin you want to start stacking. Yeah, and that's pretty much it here. They have this trade, which is the exchange. You can exchange tokens. That's pancake swap, and add liquidity on pancake swap, and that's the Rev token. It'll bring it up for you. So this is the Mainer farm, the Mainer.farm, and it does have referrals here. I will leave a link there just in case, because some people say, it's good to get the right website, because sometimes there are like fake websites and with the rug pulls. This has been rug doc and Palladian audited. So if that's important to you, you can look at these things and read the document. And also they have the animal farm, which is another thing. But yeah, just wanted to let you know about this one. And looks like they have something up here where you can hear a little bit about what's going on here. And just wanted to let you know about this. This is one where everyone's talking about they're making 3% daily. You don't have to use this link if you don't want to, um, but if you want to, you can. I mean, I really don't know about the commissions and stuff. I don't do that a lot, but or if you want to, you know, tell people about it, you can get your own referral link here and try to make some extra money. I don't really know where that money comes from. I haven't really seen it. So I have had some referral links that I used. I've never seen any actual money from it, but, or maybe I just don't know where to look. I haven't done it very often, so, but apparently you can. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can do that too. And that's pretty much all I had for you. So if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.